Today I am going to demonstrate the wafer cleaning process. So this is a silicon wafer, silicon and silicon dioxide wafer. Back side is silicon, the front shiny portion is silicon dioxide. It is already polished and a 20 nanometer silicon dioxide is grown over it. Cleaning process is basically 3 steps: acetone cleaning, then IPA cleaning, followed by DI water cleaning, then Piranha cleaning, and again DI water cleaning, then drying. Sometimes people also use RCA cleaning, but since this is a fresh wafer, acetone and IPA cleaning followed by Piranha cleaning is fine. So as you can see here, these are acetone bath, IPA bath, then DI water bath. This is Piranha, which is H2SO4 and H2O2 mixture, and then DI water. And then we will go for nitrogen cylinder or nitrogen drying. So I am going to immerse this wafer into acetone bath, pour a little more acetone over it, and then gently shake it for 10 minutes. Sometimes people use sonication instead of shaking. So acetone cleaning will remove the organic impurities which is sitting over it. So this will go on for 10 minutes. Then now I am going to immerse this wafer in IPA bath. So IPA will also remove the residual impurities, and it will also remove any acetone which is left over the wafer. Again we will shake it for 10 minutes. Now I am going to put the wafer into DI water bath. So DI water will remove any IPA from the wafer, which is very important for Piranha cleaning. So you can see the wafer is pretty much clean now, but in order to ensure nothing organic or any kind of impurities left over it, I am going to put this wafer slowly into Piranha solution. So you can see very small bubbles are forming. It's a very thorough cleaning of silicon oxide surface, and it will make the surface hydrophobic. Instead of Piranha, sometimes people use 5% HF dipping also. So it will etch the top silicon dioxide surface. Now we will slowly lift the wafer up. And then put some Now I'm going to dry it using nitrogen. So you have to hold the wafer very tightly because nitrogen gas is very pressurized. Now the wafer is cleaned and dried with the nitrogen stream. Now we will keep this wafer for drying up 135 degrees Celsius for at least 10 minutes. Then we will start the spin coating and lithography process. Thank you.